Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're jumping into something really exciting: how you can seriously supercharge your Power BI skills using generative AI. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding wizard to do it. So if you're working with data in any way, as a business analyst, a manager, you name it, this one's for you. All right, let's just kick things off with a big question. You've built the dashboards, you've got the reports, but are you really seeing the full picture? Is your data telling you everything it knows, or are those game-changing insights still kind of buried somewhere in the noise? You know, for the longest time, finding those hidden gems meant you had to manually sift through mountains of numbers. It was slow, tedious work. But now with generative AI, that's all changing. We're talking about a massive shift from all that manual grunt work to truly automated power, where insights basically find you. And this is a really important idea to grasp. This isn't about AI replacing you, not at all. It's about completely transforming your role. It's about going from being a manual analyst who's stuck in the weeds to becoming an AI-powered strategist who can see that big strategic picture. Honestly, the best way to think about it is like this. Gen AI is the supercharger for the engine, your Power BI skills that you already know how to drive. It just makes everything faster and more powerful. And the key thing to remember is you don't need a special license or a coding degree to get behind the wheel. So where do we start? Let's get practical and talk about the tools that are already baked right into Power BI. This is, without a doubt, the fastest and most direct way to start finding those deeper insights we're all looking for. Okay, say hello to your new best friend. It's called Quick Insights. Think of it as an AI-powered feature that automatically scans your entire dataset. Its only job? To hunt down trends, spot outliers, and find those important connections you might have easily missed. It's seriously like having a data scientist looking right over your shoulder. And get this, it's unbelievably simple. It's literally 3 steps. You connect your data, you click one single button, get insights, and then you just let the AI do all the heavy lifting. All of a sudden, you're finding these hidden patterns that could be total game changers for your business. It's fantastic. All right, so we've got insight discovery on autopilot. What's next? Well, let's talk about making your data interactions feel a lot more human. The next level up is all about using natural language. We're talking about turning your simple, plain English questions into powerful answers. And you can already do this. Power BI has a built-in Q&A feature where you can just type a question just like you're talking to a person. You ask, what were our top-selling products in Q2? And bam, you get an instant visual answer. It's fast, it's powerful, and it feels a little bit like magic. But wait, we can push this even further. We can take those raw answers and really amplify them. So you can feed that information into an external GenAI tool, say something like ChatGPT, and instantly create these beautifully written, compelling narratives for your reports. And the difference is just night and day. You go from a basic chart to a professional narrative summary that tells a story. This isn't just a bunch of numbers anymore. It's a clear, concise insight that your boss or your stakeholders can understand in like 5 seconds. Okay, let's switch gears and talk about one of the biggest headaches for anyone who works with data: all that tedious, time-sucking data prep work. Ugh, this is where AI automation really starts to feel like a superpower in your daily workflow. I mean, come on, does this look familiar? Data cleaning is such a grind. It takes forever, it's so repetitive, and it's where tiny errors can sneak in and mess everything up. But more importantly, it's this huge wall that stands between you and the actual strategic analysis you're trying to do. Well, here's the good news. The solution is already waiting for you right inside Power Query. It has AI features that are designed to find inconsistencies and formatting issues, and then it actually suggests the fixes for you. It's another awesome no-code way to just skip the boring stuff and get straight to the insights. So we've just covered some amazing techniques you can literally start using today. But what if you want to go beyond just using the tools? What if you want to become a true master? Let's talk about what that path looks like. So this is the real question you've got to ask yourself. Are you ready to make that leap? To go from being someone who just uses these tools to someone who is an absolute expert at leveraging AI to drive major business decisions? Now, you might be thinking that kind of leap takes years, right? Well, at the Dallas Data Science Academy, we've built an intense bootcamp that gets you there in just 6 weeks. And you're definitely not doing it alone. This isn't just watching a bunch of videos. You get personalized, one-on-one mentorship from people who are actually experts in the field, guiding you every single step of the way. And at the end of the day, it's all about one thing, a real, tangible result for your career. You walk away with an official IBM GenAI certificate. That's a powerful credential that proves to any employer that you know your stuff. And this right here, this really sums up our whole approach. It's not about boring theory. It's about getting your hands dirty with real projects, getting expert feedback, and following a curriculum that is 100% focused on advancing your career. And, you guessed it, no coding degree required.
And this is why it's so important. We're talking about real-world results. We see people from all kinds of roles, marketing, finance, operations, take these skills and jump into these high-demand jobs like business analyst or AI adoption expert. It's a serious career accelerator.
And this is our promise, plain and simple. There's no hype here. We're not selling you on buzzwords. We are focused on one thing, giving you the practical, career-ready skills that companies are desperately looking for right now. So let's end on this one thought. Think about your career as its own data set. It's full of potential, full of hidden patterns. The skills we've talked about today are the tools you need to analyze it. So the only real question left is, what's your next big insight going to be?